Okay, we're live. Just testing real quick, make sure everything's good. Face is way too big. Yeah. What the heck? Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Alright. Test, test, test. Test again. Test, test. Okay. Alright, I think we're good. Test. Alright, I don't know. We'll just go with it. Let's just go with it. I'll just speak up a little bit louder. Alright. Okay. Alright. So today... It is kind of loud, isn't it? Let me try to turn that down. That's good. Alright, okay, alright, enough messing around with this. What's up, y'all? Today, I am going to continue working on my Souls-like game. And also, I wanted to bring up some things. I have a Patreon account. If anybody watching this wants to donate to my cause and help support me, then I can provide a lot more than just these streams. I'm gonna compile all this into YouTube like videos, tutorials, and I'm gonna have a private Discord server for people for my Patreon. So if you want to undertake a game project of your own, you got questions and you need some assistance, you can get at me there. And I'll share all of that in the description. And yeah. So anyways, let's continue. Last time when we left off, I wanted to create some methodologies for me to display weapon switching, or just inventory switching in general. Visually representing your equipment. So last time we only did it for the weapon in the right hand. Eventually, I'll have to do it for the armor and maybe something in the left hand. I haven't gotten that far yet. I'll show you what I'm talking about though. This is where we left off last time. Right. Okay, so all that's still working. I need to turn that effect off. It looks weird, doesn't it? Try not to pay attention to the torso that's rolling behind him. Okay. We got jumping attacks now, so that's my jumping light. I think that's my jumping heavy. Yeah, even that's the state. I need to make it so they stop moving when they hit the ground. But anyways, so we have here, I can display now weapon switching, right? So in his right hand is what I call the regular sword. So if I have 4 of these fire swords in my inventory. If I equip one, we remove the weapon from our equipment and we add it to the inventory. And there's still 3 in the stack. I need to fix that. But oh my goodness. Huh. Anyways, but if we go back now, you'll see that the fire sword is in my hand. It's not, it's not this is not how it's gonna look. These are all just models and items that I have at my disposal. But as you can see, the combo's moving. I'm still, doing the attacks. Here's my Ash. Boom. Huh. Interesting. Let's put this back. Huh. Yeah, that's the effect on this weapon here. Anyways. The fire sword, I didn't really set it up just yet. It's just something called the fire sword, and it has a visual representation. But the point is, I'm switching. You can see that I'm now switching the inventory properly. Okay, and we'll do that for other pieces on the character, but and here's the code. Prepare weapon visuals. We add this here so that we can see the list of items that's in the right hand. Yeah. And the weapons holder is the transform that we assigned. And then in the dictionary, I add, I say, okay, the key is going to be the game object's name that's found here, and then also the value is going to be the game object itself. Yeah. And I'm thinking, I'm thinking maybe I should make the equipment holder its own class, and then put these methods inside of it. That's what I'm thinking. Oh boy. Yeah. And I'm gonna have to create a bunch of cases. Like right here, I'm trying to determine, okay, is it a weapon or is it a... Right now I only have a case for a weapon. Okay. But I think I can separate this all out into its own class. Here's the switch weapon visual. Method here. And I'll have all this code available for anyone that wants it. I'm sorry, not this code. Not this code. I'm building a platformer project. What I meant, I'll make that one's available for you, and I go about that the same way I do this. So if you really want to learn about how I do these things, watch that stream, and you can ask me questions there. But this is my passion project right here. So okay, today my goal. What is my goal for today? Let's turn that off here. Okay, there's two things I want to make happen. I want, we're gonna work on flight a little bit here. When I'm the soaring state, to be particular. As far as I'm concerned, the hovering state's pretty much complete. But for the soaring state, I want a launch state, and this is, will launch the player forward after they leave the soaring state. What? Okay. So, when I'm in when I'm soaring around, if I try to leave that state, I don't want to just fall out of the air. I want to like launch the player forward, like they had momentum. And they'll do like a little animation or something. If we have time, I'd like to work on the soaring attack. Again, this will be determined by speed. Now, if the player hits the attack button, then we're going to it's going to be similar to launch state, similar to the launch state, except it's going to be like a full body hit collider attack. So really, once we determine this, we can just kind of duplicate it and do this. That's what I'm thinking. Like, the soaring attack is going to be attack like, if you're flying directly at an enemy, you can use that attack to hit them, but it'll also pull you out of the flying state, so you'll be free falling. You just catch yourself and fly again, provided you have enough stamina. Eventually, I'm going to have a stamina bar here that drains with every attack, with every physical action that you take, like rolling and stuff. If it drains while you're in the air, your character is going to fall. But we'll get there. So anyways, this is my plan for today. This is the priority right here. And this is our stretch goal. Okay. I'm cool with that for now. So, what do you talk about null reference object? What? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't see any errors, so I don't know. As you can see, we can lock on. And we can lock off. But if right now it bugs out if like we kill them when we're locked on. I haven't come up with a case to remove the lock-on state when we kill the enemy. Anyways, so oh, if you dash while you're in the air, you kind of like go downwards. Falling dash day is what I call it. It's like a fast fall. I really need better animations. Okay. So we're enter flight mode. Right? This is how you'll mainly attack in the air. I really need better animations. Yeah, okay. Alright, now if I hit the space button, I'll enter the soaring state. Okay, this is kind of like a free-flying state here. I'm actually switching to another camera in order to make this effect happen. So I have to switch to another camera, and I'm also playing this sound effect only when I'm in this state. So right now, if I hit the F button, you'll just fall. I think if I hit the space button, yeah, nothing happens. So if I hit the F button, what I want to happen is it'll launch the player forward. Oh, if I oh yeah, you'll free fall after a certain amount of time. Nice. Cool. Cool. Alright. Let's try that again. Yeah, so if I fall, I'll start free falling here. And the closer you get to the ground, the faster it'll happen. You can kind of control it. Yeah. And it'll just reload the scene. If I had checkpoints in here, which I do have checkpoints, I'd load at the closest checkpoint. So, anyways. Maybe now I'll turn that script back on. That helps me see the speed. I forgot what I called it. Custom something. Yep. We don't need this stuff. This is old stuff. Okay, show it to me. Yeah, I'm not going to use this. Get rid of that. Sorry, this takes a minute to set up. Okay, come on, man. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Really? Okay. What I need to do is find my stats component. Yep. Stats. Don't need this. I don't think anything's using that. Tick velocity. What the heck? No, what are you talking about? Tick velocity. Not what you said. controller dot set acceleration. Dot RB rigid. What the heck? Okay, so that should handle that. I'm supposed to be getting surgery soon. I'm not looking forward to it. Come on, man. Let's go. No. I'm not seeing it. It is public, right? Oh, it's not. This is a class that's just used to update that text at the bottom of the screen. It's not code that I wrote, it's something I was referencing, but I'm modifying it to work for our purposes. Whew. Okay. Okay, so now if I go to the stats, we should see that we need it. Yeah, here it is. Okay. And for the player, sorry, it's on the UI actually. Yeah, okay. Alright, so that we should be able to see our speed now. Down here in the bottom left. Okay, and see, we started with the fire sword, so inventory's working. Okay, no, wait, it's not working. We are getting errors. Huh? What the hell? It's not working. Interesting. making sure my gravity's working. It's working too well. What the heck? I just need to increase my jump force, I guess. Yeah, alright, let's just do that. What the heck? Oh, it's because I'm not even calling it. That's why. Here, here in fixed update. Oh, okay. If the ground is not detected, then we call. Yeah, that's why that was happening. But also, so get this out of here. We don't need this. Dang it, I lost my train of thought. Okay, so in here in the fixed update, we'll do it right. I guess for now we'll just do it right here. Let's do stats. Stats. Dot. What's it called? Tick velocity. That's what I called it. We don't need to do this. Come on, man. Alright. Tick. What did I call it? What did I call it? Let me see. Entity. I don't think stats is on here. Oh, character stats is on here. Stats, yeah. So what the hell? Maybe I need to save? It's public, yeah, okay. Player. I want stats dot tick. Oh man. Okay, I see take damage is here. No, sir, what the fuck? Okay, stop. Yeah, you're there, right? Why? Take damage. Public virtual void. Okay, I guess. It's public override void. That is the craziest thing. I don't know why I'm not able to call it. Player stats, that's why. I'm calling the wrong thing. Okay. Player stats. Player stats. Right here. Player stats. Dot tick. Yeah, velocity. Great. So save that. Alright, that should solve that problem. Okay, so now we should be able to see the speed that we travel, and it'll be updating every single frame. I don't think I want that. I think I should just probably um, make that specific to the flying state, but whatever. Okay. Oh my god, what's happening here? Why is that a thing? Okay, but you can see that, what are you talking about? This must be like just an editor thing. But see, like, you can see my speed is, going up, right? Yeah, there we go. Gravity's working as it should. Great, that's my custom gravity. And here you can see that our speed is being reflected. So we're going 18, 20 kilometers an hour. So it seems 20 is the max. Oh, nope, it go faster. But, well, it's safe to say that 20 is about the max speed, right? Okay. Great. So we have something to go off of. And what is determining the speed, you may ask? Well, if we go over here, not there, sorry, stats. We're looking at the velocity of the rigid body. Well, the magnitude of that velocity. Yeah. And that's how we get that. And then I'm saying here, okay, set the acceleration. Instead of a float value, just show me the closest, round up to the nearest integer. And that's how we get the speed. Yeah, I need to determine if the player is flying or not, so that we can change this. Anyways, but that's not hard to do. That's easy to do. Uh, this is how we handle flight animation. Sorry, I'm having like uh, acid reflux. Okay. Okay, so we got the speed. So now we need to create our state. I'm pretty sure that's just an editor thing. The Unity editor itself is bugging out. I might just need to restart it. Alright, so go here. Go to my scripts. Here's how I do a lot of the Ash of War stuff. Let's see. Let's go into the player, and we're gonna do or create a class C# script. I'm gonna call this player air launch state. That's what we'll call it. we should look at something like the air dash state to pull an example. I'm gonna actually copy all of this code here and player state. That's dash state, not the one that I wanted. I want player air dash state. Here we go. Oh my god. Take all of this, and this inherits from player fly state. Why? Player fly state. I don't think I should inherit from the fly state. What else do I got? Hover state, I think, inherits from air state. Oh my gosh, it comes from fly state. Okay. What is in fly state? I guess it's okay to... No. 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 I think it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Where did I put it? You're gonna inherit from player fly state. Okay. We won't be doing this. We'll not be doing that. Don't need this. Well, maybe actually we do need that. I don't think we need this. No, we don't. We're not going to do this. This is how I handle rolling. We don't need any of this. So when we exit this state, I want to simply, do that. And we're actually, I don't think I'll use a state timer. I don't think so. Well, let's just, here, we'll comment it out for now. I'm actually going to use trigger called. That's not what I need. I need, let's see. If trigger called, then we will go into the air state. Spawn after image. We're not gonna... Oh, well. This is for dashing. I don't know if we need this. Let me comment this out. Also, this is that little effect that I was talking about with the, you see the torso rolling around. Hmm. Okay. What is going on? Can't believe it's already 3 o'clock. I think I'm just gonna get this launch state working today, and then tomorrow I'll do the attack. Still doing that, you piece of shit. Oh, okay. Now it's back. All right. Acceleration. That's what I think. Let's not do that. Let's do. Wait, what's that speed in the stats? Player.rigid.velocity.magnitude. So we're gonna do this. Let's see how crazy this gets. Trigger cold. Yeah. All right. Now, let's say I'm in the hover. What's this fly state? What other states are there? Damn, I got so many states. Soar state is what it's called. Okay. Now, if I yeah, see right here. If we hit the fly button, which is the F key that I've set for now, we change state into the hover state, but we don't want that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go here. We're gonna create a public player air launch state. Yes, yes. Player air launch state get private set. Okay. And then we're gonna come down here. Player air launch state equals new. Yes. And it's this, it's the state machine, yep, and then what are we gonna call it? Let's call it air launch. Or let's just call it launch. I don't have anything else called launch. Right? I don't think so. Launch. I'm like, you don't have to do what I'm about to do. I just do this just because I just like to be I like to see that there's some organization going on here. Nope. This one. Just call me crazy. I know. You don't have to do this. I do it just because. Player air launch state. Okay. So we got it here. Okay. Now when I'm in the soaring state, which I had it open and it decided to fuck off. Player soar state. Okay, now instead of All this is all the calculation that I do for flying right here. Yep. Anyhow, this is my proprietary stuff though. I'm not trying to put everything out there. So if we go into the if we hit the fly button, we're gonna go into the player air launch state. Bam, just like that. Let's see what happens. One thing I'm not really like, I can foresee some problems happening because we might be rotated a certain way and the game won't know how to like handle that. But whatever, that's okay. We'll fix that too. I just want to see that we even enter the state, and then we'll fine tune it after that. Okay, so I don't have an animation. Ah, dang it. That's right. I didn't even set up an animation for it. We have to do that first. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even have. Well, we'll get an error because I don't have an animation on the animator. I don't even have that boolean. So we got to go here. So let's call it launch. Boolean launch. Okay. Now I need to have that state in here somewhere. Here's my animator. This is what my animator looks like. Okay. Yeah. What's this down here? That's how we handled jumping attacks. Right, so. Okay. Okay. We need that animation. I have some. Oh, let me see what I got. What do I got? Here we go. Flying animation pack. This is something I downloaded because I thought it looked good. Looks good. Just don't want any of the. I don't want any code. Okay, looks good. Import that. I'm gonna take a break real quick. I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to take a break. How are we doing here? All right. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. All right. So we got these flying animations here, right? Yeah, there. This must be it. I'll put this into animation. I like to stay organized as much as freaking possible. All right. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we've got. What is this?
Get YouTube
Oh,
Music Premium. It has a toggle thingy.
I could see this being like a dodge. I might make a dodge state while you're flying, like a barrel roll, or that. That's even better. What's this? Oh, getting hurt while you're in the air? Hmm. Hmm. Base hurt bad. What? Base hurt bad B. Hmm. Interesting. Idle. Okay. Okay, I can probably use this. Flight idle? Okay, but that's not what we're looking for. Um, what's this? Oh, okay. Yeah, I can develop a better looking controller with these animations. What's this? What? What's this? Move ascend. Punch. Move spiral. Okay. Yeah. Base punch. What the hell? Recovery. Okay, that actually. Hmm. Now that I'm thinking about it, what if Pan um huh, I don't know. I'm just thinking. What if he like was able to stop in the air? Actually might, I don't know. That could be useful. Let's see. Twirl. Okay. That's cool. See, I kind of wish that like this was one of those twirling animations. But it looks like the best thing we've got to work with is um like these. Hmm. Alright, let's try something here. I'm thinking... I gotta go all the way down to the... Come on, man. Right here. Actually, we'll go to the top. So let's copy both of these. Move spiral and spiral B, right? I'll duplicate these. Okay, so I got them here. What are you doing? Down here. Focus on them. Okay. Now, let's... Now, I don't think it should come out of the source state. I think it should be able to come from the any, or from anywhere. I think it'll make sense once we actually see it working. Yo, what are you doing? So from here to there, and then from here to here. And you will exit, we'll exit this when launch, no exit time. We can get rid of that. When launch is false. False. Here, say launch is true. Then we'll enter this. Then we'll go to this. Which one is which? I actually have no freaking idea. What the hell? Oh, you know what? I did this backwards, dude. It should be this one, and then this one. I'm thinking he'll, like, launch with his arms and legs to his, like, pinned down. And then he'll open his arms and legs. Like he's trying to, like, break in the air. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. We don't need all this that far down. I'll try to stay organized. What the fuck? There we go. Okay. So, again, if launch... No, sir. If launch... There we go. If launch is true... Okay. This will not have exit time, and we'll exit here if launch is false. Alright, so move spiral, I need to look at that animation. Alright, so let's go to the scene. Go to the player. Come on, go to the player. Okay, here he is, right? I don't have a mouse, so this is kind of hard. I'm using my laptop right now. Okay, so let's look at the animation. I think it's called, what was it? Okay, Spiral B is the one where his arms are pinned down. Why is he spinning like that, dude? That's a problem. He's like breakdancing. But yeah, anyways, that's Spiral B, right? So that means that move Spiral is that one. Dude, why is he spinning on the Y? I don't get it. I really don't like that. Yeah, okay. Alright, we need to go back to those animations. Whatever. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. That should have handled that. Okay. Make sure, again, we go to the player. Make sure that's initialized, which it is. Launch. Yeah. Alright. Let's try it. Any day now. Okay. Okay. Alright. So we'll go here. And here we go. Let's pick up some speed. So now if I hit the F key, boom. Yeah, it worked. The only problem is... What the hell? What the fuck is happening? The player's freaking out. But he is playing this. Okay. Huh. Oh, he's constantly moving I can't explain what's happening with the geometry, but... Oh, no, actually I can. So, alright. Okay, what I need to do, this is why I needed to look at that animation. Window, animation. And we called it, I think it was move spiral. Right? Yeah, that's the one. So let's say right here, I want this to end. If I don't hit a wall or something. So we're going to go to player animation triggers and animation trigger. And that will tell me that I'm done with this state. And we need to exit the base state, which I specified as the falling state. Why he's spinning around on his y-axis, I have no idea. That's part of the animation, and I have to fix that. The animation itself is just wonky. Okay, so now I should enter the air state after the animation is done playing. Boom. Yep. And there we go. Hey, that's actually what I kind of wanted. Huh. It's like a, you know, like an aerial trick. Boom. Right? And then now, but I can also, yeah, I can catch myself. Yeah, it's just like a clever way to like exit flight. Interesting. And I kept my momentum. That's pretty cool. Oh shit. Yeah, I can mess with the speed. Right now the speed is, you know, I'm just saying, like, just go, like, travel as fast as you were traveling when you left the state. So the speed is crazy, but we can adjust that. But that's actually what I was looking for, like a dive, you know? I just gotta fix that fucking spin on the animation. Cool. I'm actually happy with that. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, man. Next time, yeah, we're gonna work in the attack, but we need to fix that animation. It's just too bad, too stupid. Let's see, maybe we can fix it in here. Okay, I'd like to see this. See right here. Here he's not moving. What the fuck? Let's see if that fixes it. I'm just trying things. Alright, so let's go here and here. We're gonna say rotation. Let's see if that fixes it. Oh, nice. We did it. Yeah, see, that's basically what I wanted. Now here's the problem though. Oh, it auto-corrected itself. Dude, fuck yeah. Okay, cool. That's why I love the stateful pattern. Once we enter the air state, it will correct itself. Right, so we'll do this, and now we're in the air state, and we're... Ooh. Good. I know it doesn't look great, but that is sort of the effect I wanted. I wanted him to, like, if he's done soaring, he's gonna launch forward, you know, and just use that momentum to dive forward. I probably should make the camera like do some arc type thing, but that's a lot of calculation. That's a lot of calculation right there. I can make that speed ramp downwards over time when I'm diving, because right now it's consistent and I go really far, right? right? So, boom, dive. I like it. I like it. I know it looks weird, but I'm gonna tune it to make it look like it really makes sense. Okay. What happens if I fly into a building though? And this is like, you can't like, there's no dashing here, okay? This is the fastest he's gonna fly. I'm not trying to make him like broken Superman type character. Alright, so. And do it. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. I could probably make it so he just kind of like got stuck and then went into the wall running animation because I was holding down the shift key. Or the wall running state. But I might make it so like right there, you know, when if he hits the wall when he's like that, maybe he'll take damage and ragdoll or something. Let's look at it one more time. I think that's a good stopping point for this stream. Man, it takes so long for this computer to fucking do stuff. Okay. I wiped it like the other day. I just have my 3 main game projects on here. Anyways, look at it one more time. So that's my custom gravity at work. And launch. Good. Catch yourself. And launch. Good. Catch yourself. And catch yourself. And launch. Cool. I'm actually, you know, that's actually not too terrible. Launch. So if I hold the shift key, I'll enter a wall running state, and I'll eventually grab the ledge if I detect one. Cool. Cool. That's a successful run for this session. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a launching state. So now what I'm gonna do, I'll make a barrel roll, so like if enemies target you while you're in the air like this, it'll be even harder for them to hit you. And I'm gonna have them try to shoot you out of the air. Alright, so, but yeah, what I'm gonna do is, I can basically, once I fine tune this, we can take this state, and instead of just launching out of flight, we can use an attack to launch out of flight. It's basically gonna be just a copy of this state. So, alright. Okay, I'm feeling good about that. It's all really weird looking right now, but I'm still in the prototyping phase of this project. But I've got most of the systems working, you know, like inventory, save system. I even have cutscenes working. Dialogue between NPCs, I've got that working. I even have a shop system too. So actually, once I fine-tune the flight, I think I'm ready to start like actually putting the real artwork together. This is the player character. This is gonna be my hero. But I mean like the monsters and like, you know, the environment and stuff. Because this whole time I've just been trying to make sure it works. So next time we come back, we'll do the attack, and then I'll fix the HUD here so that it displays properly. I'll even reactivate the healing flask. But next time we'll work on the attack. Okay? Alright. turn that off. Let's shut this down. Save here. Thanks for joining me, guys. That was actually a good session. Wow. Tomorrow I'll stream this project, and then I'll also go back into the platformer that I was helping you guys create last time, just a little bit. Last time we got the attacks playing, right? But now we need to do something with those attacks, so. Now, as with all, you know, great coding projects, we need to have some version control. And I use Git. So let's do implementation first pass, or let's implementation of air launch mechanic first pass. I will, you know, I'll have it so we'll make another way so that when we do, yeah, we'll make another state. So if you just want to stop in the air and not launch forward, we'll make an input for that. And I'd like to use that like air brake animation, and we could do something cool with that. So we'll have options. This is what makes my Souls game different. It's the whole flight thing. And now you have two worlds to worry about. You have the ground, and this is an open world with an air component. I know it sounds complicated. I know how to make the open world thing work, but my game's not going to be truly open world. It's going to be semi-open world. Like, I'm going to load sections of the world, but once you leave that section, you're going to shut that one down and load another section. There will be loading screens. That's just what I have at my disposal. I don't have, you know, I'm not a big studio. I'm just